7, Stephen Gala, number 2, Atan Panagatides, and number 1, Party Happy. For legacy assist, please the court. Legacy assist, please, First time for legacy assist, number 19, Doc Santos, number 10, Evan Manalili, number 5, Adrian Oman, number 4, Josh Cabral, number 8, Antonio Pagaduan. Okay, let's go.
Ready, pre?
First possession belongs to legacy assist. Adrian Oman with the ball. Adrian to Cabral, to Pagaduan. Pagaduan to Adrian. Guarded by Pagaduan. Santos to Oman for Trey. Bang! 3 points to Adrian Oman. Please rest the scoring in favor of legacy assist. Capuno to Happy. Happy guarded by Tibution. Capuno will answer for play. No good. Rebound. Pagaduan. Pagaduan to Cabral. Guarded by Capuno. Pagaduan. Screen by Manalili. To Cabral. Cabral to Oman. 7 seconds to shoot. Cabral to Manalili. 4 seconds to shoot. Santos fakes. Fadeaway jumper. Money for Doc Santos. 5-0 is the score in favor of legacy assist. Cameron to Capuno. To Happy. Happy hesitates to Panagatides. Happy with the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Happy in trouble. 4 seconds to shoot. Capuno on 2. No good. Rebound Pagaduan. Forward pass thrown by Cameron. Cameron with the ball. To Capuno. To Bobadilla. Loses the ball. Stolen by Doc Santos. Bounce pass to Pagaduan. 2 points to Pagaduan. Assist by Santos. 7-0 blitz by legacy assist. Panagatides. Deflected. Possession will stay with PB Jam. 15 to shoot. Jonathan to Happy. Jonathan to Bobadilla. Back to Jonathan. Jonathan back to basket. Layup. Only shoot. Rebound Pagaduan. Pagaduan with the ball. To Cabral. Layup. No good. Rebound. Cameron. Capuno with the ball. Here comes PB Jam. Capuno. Floater. Floater is good. Alain Capuno. Stop the drought for PB Jam. 7 is the score. 7 minutes and 14 in the first quarter. Pagaduan. Tuluman. Again for Trey. No good. Offensive rebound by Kenneth Cabral. Roman. Dos Santos. Fakes. Pass to Cabral. Cabral loses the handle. In trouble. Recovers the ball. But Santos leaves the shoot. Santos for 3. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Cabral. Nice 14 again for legacy assist. No man will let it fight for 3. No good. Rebound by Manalili. Offensive rebound. And a putback by Manalili. 2 points for Manalili. 90 is the score in favor of legacy assist. Cameron to Bobadilla posting up. Bobadilla hook shot no good. Rebound Santos. Cabral setting up the play for legacy assist. No man. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Rebound Bobadilla. Cameron. Jumper. Money for Cameron. The lead is 5 for Legacy Assist. Run. Screen by Pananini. No man with the ball. No man to Cabral. 7 seconds to shoot. Pagaduan. To Santos. 4 seconds to shoot. No man. 95 for Trey. No good. But there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 7. Cameron. First personal foul. First team foul on PB Jam. Baseline inbound for Legacy Assist. 13 to shoot. 13 on the shot clock for Legacy Assist. Santana checks in for Legacy Assist. To Santos. Mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound. Happy. Happy with the ball. Drop pass to Jonathan. Layup is good for Jonathan. The lead is down to 3. Next up, 3-point lead by Legacy Assist. Santana. Inside pass to Gab Santos. For the strike for Gab Santos. The lead is 5. Happy to Jonathan. Jonathan, how they take a block. Happy, back to Jonathan. Kicks it out. Pass is too high. Sub. Miscommunication between Jutinis and Cameron. Jonathan out for PB Jams. Nepomuceno in. Santana. Manning the point for Legacy Assist. Santana. Pass deflected. Recovered by Cabral. For Trey. No good. Rebound. Santos with the ball. Santana flips. 8 seconds to shoot. Santana. Floater. No good. Rebound. Cameron with another. Cameron has a foul. Foul on Legacy Assist. Blocking foul on number 12. Santana. First personal foul. First team foul. Sideline inbound for PB Jams. Nepomuceno. Cameron for Trey. No good. Rebound. Pagaduan. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover. Turnover for Legacy Assist. Cabral out. Ramos in. PB Jams giving possession. Nepomuceno setting up the play for PB Jams. Nepomuceno. Capuno on the 3 short. Rebound. Ramos to Manalili. Back to Ramos. Ramos to Pagaduan. 8 seconds to shoot. Ramos. Santana for Trey. Short. Possession PB Jams. Sabret. Nepomuceno with the ball. Last step, turnover by Panigini. Panigini kasi the ball game down. Turnover by Panigini. Santana. Pass to Pagaduan. Balen 5 to play. Overshoots rebound. Gab Santos. Ramos to Santana. Screen by Pagaduan. Santana. Behind the point. Santana in trouble. Pass to Jackal. Stolen by Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. Overshoots rebound. Santana. Pass. Stolen by Kamiki. Turnover by Santana. Capuno. Knock to layup. Layup is good for Capuno. That's the lead to 3 for PB Jams. Ramos finding the point for Legacy Assist. 1 minute and 7 seconds in the first quarter. seconds to shoot. Ramos, Santa Ana, 6 seconds to shoot. Santos, shot out, Cameron. Turnover by Cameron, followed by Santa Ana. Santa Ana, takes, floater, short, rebound, Cameron. Cameron, pass to Nepomuceno. Back to Cameron, to Mandarin. Good for the rebound. Who's fouled up? Foul on the assist, number 13. Phil Ramos. First personal foul, second team foul. Stephen Cameron travels on the free throw line to shoot for 2 free throws. Chance for PB James to move closer. The lead is 3 for next assist. First one for Cameron. Adding the lead to 3. 2 on 2 for Cameron. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 11 for Legacy Assist, 10 for PB James. This is week 3, first game between PB James and Legacy Assist. Okay, second quarter. This is week 3. First game between Legacy Assist and PB James. Second quarter possession belongs to PB James. Jonathan to Happy. Happy to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. Drop pass to Happy. Ryan is good for Happy. The lead comes now to PB James. What a pass by Nepomuceno to Happy. Roman for the play. Anthony Roman. Nepomuceno keeps it to Happy, but there's a foul. Foul on Legacy Assist. Number 5, blocking foul on Adrian Roman. First personal foul, first team foul. Sideline inbound for PB James. 18 to shoot. Happy to Nepomuceno. Kamigi to Jonathan. Nepomuceno to Happy for 3. On the shoot, rebound, Kamigi. Kamigi to Jonathan. Jonathan back to Kamigi. Toning game for PB. Kamigi in trouble. Drop pass to Jonathan. Drop pass again to Cameron. Layup is good for Cameron. Side ball way, 14 apiece. Ramos to Santos. Pass deflected. Possession will remain with Legacy Assist and 16 on the shot clock. Vamos to the Capi Santos. Cabral, baseline jumper, money to Cabral. Kamigi to Nepomuceno. Jonathan moves closer, loses the ball, stolen by Cruz. Nomás de la ball to Santos. Santos, left in the air, no good, rebound again to Santos. Santos, but there's a foul. Foul on PB Jam. Foul on number 9, Ryan Kamigi. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Gab Santos. (16-14) is the score in favor of Legacy assists. First one for Santos for sale. Naging to 1. Chance for Santos to tie the ball game. 7 minutes and 15 in the second quarter. To Arju for Gab Santos, tie ball game at 16 apiece. Happy. Back to the Nepomuceno. Jonathan for 3, no good. Rebound by Cameron. Cameron to Happy. Happy. And time, no good. Last touch on Legacy assist. 16-16 is the score. Sorry. My bad. 18. Kamigi for 3. No good. Rebound. Jonathan. Nepomuceno to Cameron. Shot for good rebound. Cruz stolen by Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno comes to the Cruz, recovered by Jonathan. No good. Rebound Nepomuceno. Happy for 3. Time out left.
Kami sinong timeout?
2 shots lang yan. 2 lang. Yung sa pink, 2 shots lang. Yung sa pink.
So clarification, the last 3-pointer was downgraded to 2 points for PB Jam. It was a 2 points, not a 3 point. Official score: 18 for PB Jam, 16 for Legacy Assist. 18-16 is the score. In favor of Legacy Assist. Santana to Cruz. Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound. Edwin Dumadillo. Nepomuceno to Kamigi. Pass to Nepomuceno to Jonathan. Floater, no good. Rebound by Manalili. Manalili in trouble, but there's a foul. Who's fouled that? Foul on number 24 on PB Jam. Alin Capulo. First personal foul, second team foul. Santana to Noman. Noman to Manalili. Manalili na naman for three. No good. Rebound. Jonathan. Jonathan. Traveling violation committed by Jonathan. Excellent defense for Legacy assist there. 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the second quarter. PB Jams up by 2. Santa Ana, screen by Manalili. Santa Ana, elbow jumper. No good, rebound. Capuno. Ball delivered by Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno, forward pass to Jonathan. Shot, no good. Rebound, Manalili. Santa Ana. Santa Ana. 1-on-1. What's the call, right? Ball possession against assist, technical foul number 3. Edwin Babadilla. Technical foul on Edwin Babadilla. Technical free throw for. So technical free throw for Edwin. First personal foul on Babadilla. Third team foul on PB Jams. Technical free throw is good for Edwin. 1 point lead still by PB.
Don't worry, get it back, get it back.
Santa Ana. Six seconds to shoot. Santa Ana, layup. No good, rebound. Kamigi. Forward pass to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno, layup, no good, rebound. Manalili. Santa Ana in trouble. Numan, driving baseline. Numan, bounce pass to Manalili. Capanos inside, that's a foul. Foul number 3. Pushing foul number 3, point is good. Second personal foul on PB Jams. 14 foul. So, ano? 21-16 is the score in favor of Legacy assists. Bonus points for Doc Santos, rebound by Ipadilla. Happy from Kamigi. Kamigi, elbow jumper, too strong, rebound Jonathan. Jonathan, breakaway jumper, is no good. Rebound to Ipadilla. Put back by Ipadilla. That's the end of the first half. Official score, 21 for Legacy assists, 18 for PB Jams. Okay, let's go to the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Legacy Assist. This is week 3. Week 3 first game, first game between Legacy Assist and TB Jam. Santa Ana running the points for Legacy Assist to Manalili. Up to Santa Ana. Johnson. Miscommunication between Santa Ana and Johnson. Turnover for Legacy Assist. Padilla para Tomasino. Happy for Dre. No good. Rebound Padilla. Put back kay Padilla instead. Nalinis down to 1. Santa Ana to Santos. Santos. Runner. No good. Rebound. Lauron. Lauron to Tomasino. But there's a foul. Oh, sorry. Traveling violation committed by Tomasino. Turnover for TB Jam. Legacy Assist with the ball. Agaduan. 12 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana, got it by Cameron. Santa Ana, Almo Temper, running for Santa Ana. The lead is 3 for Legacy Assist. Nepomuceno to Lauron. To Bobadilla. Bobadilla. Kickball violation committed by Legacy Assist. Possession will remain with TB Jam. 14 on the shot clock for TB Jam. Happy to Cameron. Baseline jumper too strong. Rebound again by Cameron. Cameron to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno drop pass to Lauron. 8 seconds to shoot. Nepomuceno uses the glass. No good rebound. Santos. Santa Ana. To Nepomuceno. Pass to Crackers. Stolen by Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. Layup overshoots. Rebound Happy. Pass to Nepomuceno. Point is good. Sabret. Foul on Legacy Assist. Foul on number 10. Manalili. First personal foul. First team foul. Chance for Nepomuceno for a 3-point play. What?
Second or fourth? Yung foul spot.
No good on the bonus free throw. Rebound by Dub Santos. Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Drop pass to Manalili. Layup is good for Manalili. The lead is 3 for Legacy Assist. Happy, but there's a foul. Foul on Legacy Assist. Foul on number 13 on Legacy Assist. Ramos, sub. Yung Ramos second personal foul, second team foul. Okay. Fresh 14 for TB Jam. Lauron to Bobadilla. Bobadilla. Shot no good. Rebound. Santos. No man. Stop to 3. No good. Rebound. Cameron. Cameron. Kicks it out to Nepomuceno. Pass deflected. Stolen by Lauron. Santos to the ball. Drop pass to Lauron. Shot. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos in trouble. Who's foul then? Sabret. Who's foul then? Foul on number 13 here. Ramos pushing foul on Ramos. Third personal foul on Ramos. Third team foul. Possession, PB Jams. Bobadilla. Pass it over by Cameron. Filipong Oceno. Happy with the ball. Happy. Mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound. Santos. Santos. One-on-one with Filipong Oceno. Santos. Hand down. No good. Rebound. Bobadilla. Bobadilla. Lose the ball. Scoring by Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Pangadua. Overshoot. Last shot was open. Rebound by Cameron. Save it to Happy. Happy. Loses the ball. Scoring by Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Runner. No good. Rebound Cameron. Ipapaseno with the ball. Capolo for three. No good. Rebound Pangadua. Ramos with the ball. 4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Ramos to Roman. Back to Ramos. Swings to Pagaduan. Pagaduan. Elbow jumper. Money for Pagaduan. 5-point lead now for the SSS. Nepomuceno with the ball. Nepomuceno inside pass to Pagaduan. Behind the pass. Stolen by Pagaduan. Luman. Look at that way. To Pagaduan. Pagaduan has a take. Blocked by Cameron from behind. Possession will stay with Legacy Assist. 16 on the shot clock. Time out then. Time out. Legacy Assist.
What? Kuya, wish one timeout per quarter ba? Third quarter.
Good evening, everyone. We will invite everyone to pop their name down in the list in the middle of the court for a chance to win a NFBL t-shirt and a meal voucher from Salon. It is totally free. You just need to put your name down. It will be drawn after this game. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go back to the ball game. 27-22, last 2 minutes and 18. 16 on the shot clock for Legacy Assist. Santa Ana will rebound the ball for Legacy Assist. Pagaduan. Pass to Ramos. Ramos to Santa Ana. 10 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana, right to that will play, no good. Rebound Cameron. Cameron with the handle. Guarded by Santa Ana to Kamigi. Kamigi to Capuno. Capuno back to sa foul. Foul on Legacy Assist. Number 13, Bill Ramos. That's 4 on Ramos, Sabret. 4th personal foul. 14th foul on Legacy Assist. Ramos out. Cruz checked in for Legacy Assist. Kamigi with the ball. Kamigi. Pass to Capuno. Capuno floater. No good. Rebound. But Cruz takes it to the wrong side. Bobadilla with the score. 2 points for Bobadilla. Kaliedis not down to trade. Santa Ana to Pagaduan. Santos with the handle. Santos to Santa Ana. 8 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana. Cabral for play. Too strong. Rebound. Capuno. Here comes Stevie Jan. Capuno. Pass deflected. Possession will stay with Stevie Jan. Sub left. Pagaduan out. Roman in. 17 to shoot for PB Jan. Cameron winning the ball. Last touch on PB Jan. Turnover. Miscommunication between Cameron and Bobadilla. Shot clock is off. Last 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Santos to Cruz. There's a foul. Foul before the shot. That's the end of the third quarter. Who's foul next? Foul on number 3, Edwin Bobadilla. That's 3 on Bobadilla. That's the end of the third quarter. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 27 for Legacy Assist, 24 for BBD. Okay, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter possession belongs to PB Jams. This is the last and final quarter of the first game between PB Jams and Legacy Assist. Capuno, corner trade. In and out. Rebound, naman. Under the foul. Foul on PB Jams. Number 1, Harvey Happy. First personal foul, first team foul. Santa Ana, running the point for Legacy Assist. Santa Ana to Cruz. Cruz, gana tayo ng Musano. 10 seconds to shoot. Cabral to Santa Ana. Santa Ana, floater, no good. Rebound, Happy. Happy with the ball. Happy bounce pass. Deflected by Noman. Possession will stay with PB Jams. 19 to shoot for PB Jams. Happy to Nepomuceno. Camera to Happy. Happy corner trade. Short. Rebound. Camera. But there's a foul. Sorry, what's the call, right? Sorry, turnover. Sub, right? Sub. Possession, Legacy Assist. Cruz out. Manaliliin for Legacy Assist. 27-24 in favor of Legacy Assist. 8:32 in the fourth quarter. Santa Ana to Noman. Noman to Santos. Santos looking for a teammate. Pass to the Captain Cabral. 6 seconds to shoot. Pass to Noman. Noman, 3 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana let it try to play. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation committed by Legacy Assist. Sabre. Turnover for Legacy Assist. Camera out. Bobadilla in. 7 minutes and 55 in the last quarter. PB Jams, Legacy Assist holding on to the 3-point lead. Nepomuceno to Capuno. Capuno to Happy. Happy looking for a teammate to Capuno. Nepomuceno with the ball. Pass to Happy. Last touch by Legacy Assist. Possession will stay with PB Jams. 8 on the shot clock. Happy to Bobadilla. Jonathan for play. No good. Rebound. Cabral. Noman with the ball. Noman to Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Hammer is good for Santa Ana. 5-point lead now for Legacy Assist. Nepomuceno. Pass to Happy. Happy. Started by Cabral. Happy to Capuno. Capuno to Happy. Happy. Outside. Drop pass to Jonathan. 5 to shoot. Block by Manalili. Rebound by Cabral. There's a call. What's the call there? There's a whistle. What's the call there? Foul on number 2. Jonathan Panagudini. First personal foul. Second team foul. inbound for Legacy Assist. 6 minutes and 24. In the fourth quarter, Legacy Assist holding on to a 5-point lead. Santana, Alejandro. Santana, drop pass to Bob Santos, layup is short, rebound to Padilla. Forward pass to Jonathan. Jonathan, layup is short, rebound by Cabral. Cabral with the ball. Cabral, ito sa foul. Sat. Foul on PB Jams. Number 3, Bobadilla. That's 4 on Bobadilla. Third team foul on PB Jams. 18 on the shot clock for Legacy Assist. Sublet. Hopping out. Kamiging in. Jonathan out. Cameron in. Manalini will inbound for Legacy Assist. Manalini to Santa Ana. Lumaan with the ball. Santa Ana. Lead by Manalini. 8 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana. Kicks it out to Cabral. Cabral. To naman. 2 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana to hit the buzzer. Yes, sir! Santa Ana to hit the buzzer. 8-point lead for Legacy Assist. Capuno. To Nepomuceno. Capuno to Capuno. Jumper. Money for Capuno. The lead is now 6 runners. 6-point lead by Legacy Assist. Santa Ana. Pass to Noman. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Manalini jumper. No good. Rebound. Down. Capuno. Recovered by Kaliki. Nepomuceno. Shot no good. Put back by Cameron. Timeout. Legacy Assist. Official score 32 for Legacy Assist. 28 for PB Jams. The lead is cut down to 4. Courtesy of the basket of Cameron. Santana with the ball. Santa Ana, guarded by Nepomuceno. Uses the ball after the foul. Foul on PB Jams. Number 224, Capuno. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. So next foul will be free throws for Legacy Assist. Sideline inbound for Legacy Assist. Santa Ana looking for a teammate. To Cabral. Manalini the ball to Santos. Santos in trouble. Looking for a teammate. To Noman. 5 seconds to shoot. Noman to Cabral. 3 seconds to shoot. Cabral layup. No good. Put up no good by Santos. Rebound. Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno to Kamigi. Kamigi to Capuno. Layup is good. Noman with the ball after the foul. Foul on PB Jams. That's penalty, right? And over the limit, number 7, pushing foul on Cameron. Second personal foul, penalty. Free throws for Legacy Assist. 2 minutes and 17 remaining in the last quarter. 2-point lead by Legacy Assist. First one to Roman is good. Next sub, next sub. Second one is no good, rebound, Kamiki. Kamiki, to Nepomuceno, 3-point lead by Legacy Assist. Cameron for three. Cameron to China Bombay. Tied ball game at 33 apiece. Last 2 minutes. Santa Ana, 9 seconds to shoot. Cabral to Santa Ana, 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Roman. Shot clock violation left. Shot clock violation. Turnover again for Legacy Assist Sabrat. 1 minute and 44 in the last quarter. Tied ball game at 33 apiece. Happy will return the ball to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno looking for a teammate. So Happy. Happy to Nepomuceno. 8 seconds to shoot. Inside pass. Pass is too strong. Turnover for PB Jams. Crucial possession for Legacy Assist. Sabrat. Happy out, Kamiki in for PB Jams. 1 minute and 27 in the ball game. 33 all is the score. Pagaduan with the ball. Santos attacks the baseline. Drop pass to Magalini. 6 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds by Santos. Turnover for Legacy Assist. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Possession PB Jams. Happy to Nepomuceno. 1 minute and 2 seconds. In the last quarter, Cameron with the ball. To Capolo. Capolo to Padilla. Back to Capolo. Program play. No good. Rebound Santa Ana. Santa Ana with the ball. Here comes Santa Ana. High-ranking shot. No good. Rebound Santa Ana. Last 43 seconds. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 39 on the game clock. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Shot clock violation left. Shot clock, shot clock. Shot clock violation again for Legacy Assist. Time out left. Time out PB Jams. That's the turn. Shot clock violation for Legacy Assist. They couldn't come up with a shot. Time out situation. 1 hit for both teams. 26.7 seconds remaining in the ball game. This is Big One. First game between PB Jams and Legacy Assist. So PB Jams will not advance. Last 21 seconds. 18 on the game clock, 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Nepomuceno. Left to layup. Time out. PB Jams. Oh, sorry, Legacy assist. Time out, legacy assist. Official score, 35 for PB Jams, 33 for legacy assist. Clutch push put back by Steven Galloway. 7.2 seconds remaining in the ball game. 35-33 in favor of PB Jams. Hey, back to the ball game. 7.2 seconds remaining in the ball game. PB Jams in the penalty, so the next foul will be the penalty tonight. 7.2 seconds. Shot clock is off. Santa Ana to Pataguan.